So let's look into the practice questions. A accepts two bill of exchange. I think this was actually a very similar question that was there yesterday. Ali 6,000 10,000 answata amount ididdu. A accepts two bills of exchange. Well, one was for 2 months, one more was for 3 months. First bill they got discounted to it. Second bill they got it cancelled, and then they asked to renew the bill, and then that got cancelled. I think this was done yesterday. Very similar question. First entry, what will be it? Bills receivable 1, bills receivable 2 to A. Next one. Discounting will be bank discount to. Then third bill, what are they saying? You are cancelling it. Third bill, you are cancelling it, is it? Mr. On second, A requested to cancel both the bills. So cancel both the bills ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಬಿಲ್ ನ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಬಿಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್. Anyone did mistake in this question, this entry? When you did it first time, okay. Idu explain madbeka? Are you guys clear? This is the only thing which is which people do mistakes with. Otherwise, everything else is fine. It's pretty much like the previous question. Next one. Ali draws bill on Akbar for 3 months. So bills receivable, bills payable, bills receivable. So the journal entry for drawing a bill and accepting the bill is what? Bills receivable to Akbar. Ali gets it discounted from the bank for 44,100. What's the journal entry? Bank account, discount account, bills receivable. And remits 1/3 to Akbar. So 1/3 andre eshtayitu? So 45,000 alli 44, that means it is. So which one? So even if you are doing 1/3, that means it will be 15,314. This anyone got wrong? Everyone got this right? So what's the journal entry for transferring this? Hey, this one. This is transferring it to Akbar, no? Akbar to bank. Okay. Now, how much more should Akbar pay to Ali? 30 more thousand. Now, what are they saying? On the due date, Ali fails to remit the amount due to Akbar, but he accepts a new bill for. So, what are you going to do for 52,500 when this time he is accepting the bill? First bills payable. What's the journal entry for bills payable? Then in that, what is he saying? He discounts it for. Who's discounting it? Will there be a journal entry in the books of Ali? No. Then he remits. So how do I do this? I told you 52,500 ge ಎಷ್ಟು cash ಬಂದಿದೆ? So 1,000. How much did they remit to Ali? 8,4. But for my calculation, I will take it as this. Everyone got right? How much? So this will be. This is the money that I should be receiving it from this guy. Ashtela. Anyone got this wrong? Now understand? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ವಿತ್. ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಇದು? ನವಾಯಿಗಪ್ಪ ಪಕ್ಕ. Next one, on 1st April, Excel stoots to Y for 25,000 plus IGST at 18%. So, ಎಷ್ಟು bill amount? 25,000 plus 18%, which is first selling the goods. Now, tell me for what amount will the bill be drawn? Is it going to be for 25 or 29,500? Because boss, ನನ್ನ client ಹತ್ರ collect ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 29,500 ಗೆ, so the bill will be drawn also for that 29. Now they are saying the first bill is for 15, the second bill is for 14, so the bill amount will be 15 and 14. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Y accepts the bill and is sent to bank for bills for collection. ಏನಿದು ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಥಿಯರಿ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಗುಡ್ ನೋಟ್. Yeah. So look into this. What do you mean by bills for collection? When a person receives a bills of exchange, he may decide to retain the bill till the date of maturity. But in order to ensure safety, he sends it to the bank with the instruction that the bill should be retained till maturity. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಬಿಲ್ ನ ನಾನೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು I am sending it to and telling it what? You hold it till. Now, look into it. What will happen? Am I discounting it here? I am only telling the bank, itkondirappa, due date alli bill bandi clear ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Who will you pay the bill? To me or to the bank? Whom would you pay the bill? Why? Because bank is the holder of the bill. So he is saying that till the time the discounting is not done or the amount is actually realized, the amount will not be credited in the bank. Correct alva? Bank hatra ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅದ್ರ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. On the due date, what is happening? So now what you are literally doing is you are creating one more layer. You are creating what? So look into it. When we held till maturity, what was the journal entry? Start from beginning. When we held till maturity, what was the first entry? Bills receivable to X. Then on the date of maturity it becomes ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮತ್ ಹೂ ಅಂತೀರಾ ಬರ್ದಾಗ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟು ಇದೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯ ನಾನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? BR to X. Then it will become bills for collection to BR. Then it will become bank so literally if you understand the rules of debit and credit ಏನಾಯ್ತು? So I am again coming back to bank to X. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಬಂದು ಮಧ್ಯ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟರ್ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾರದಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಮ್ ಬದಲು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪೇ ದ ಮನಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Can we go to the question? Now what he's saying is sending both the bills are sent for bank for collection. So what will be the journal entry? Bills sent for collection account debit to bills receivable. I have two bills, so bills receivable one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಇದಾರೆ, in due course X receive the information from the bank on the due date of the respective bill that the bill for 15,000 has been duly met. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಒಂದು. ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಅದರ್ ಬಿಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡಿಸಾನರ್ಡ್. ಬಿಲ್ ಡಿಸಾನರ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು? Person account debited to bills receivable. Now bills receivable is replaced by whom? Bills for collection. So your journal entry will be Y account debit to bills for collection to bank account. I think this was a 8-mark question. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು bills for collection? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಇತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ bills for collection ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. You are the one who told you like to take initiatives. Huh? Oh, you. No, that first day when we were doing introduction. Not her. I thought we had something we had planned, no initiatives, somebody to take some initiative. Okay, do this, we'll see. I forgot. You are the young guys, you should remember, we have too many things. Okay, first April, balance was 3 months, that should have been what? May, June, July, that has to be July only. Second one is 3 months, no? First one is 2 months. So first month should be June, second month should be July. I think the dates are given wrong here. This has to be June and this is July. Clear? Next one. 10 marks. Pretty much. This one, how many of you got wrong? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Harry draws a bill on Sejal for 60,000. What's the journal entry? First one. They are asking you the entries in the books of. For Sejal, it is bills payable, bills receivable. Is correct? Okay. So what will be the journal entry for bills payable? So the first entry will be Harry to. Next one, Sejal accepts the bill and sends it back to Harry and Harry gets it discounted for 56. What's the journal entry? Whose book are we doing? How will Sejal have an entry? Then why are you telling entry? Who's getting it discounted? Harry. So the journal entry should be in the books of. What will Sejal get? Nothing. Right? He is remitting 1/4. He is remitting what? So how do we do the calculation? For 60,000, he got 56,000. In that, the amount was 4,000. He is asking to remit 1/4. 15, 14. So Sejal is paying money, receiving money. What's the journal entry for receiving money? bank account debit, discount account debit to Harry. Harry met Sejal inspired movie, I guess. You guys have seen that movie? What, you guys study so much for 10th? Yeah. Now on the due date, Harry was unable to remit his share. How much was Harry supposed to give to Sejal? 40. This one we are clear. He is saying that he will now accept a bill. So who's drawing the bill now? Sejal is drawing the bill. Harry is accepting it. So for you, it's bills receivable or bills payable. What's the journal entry for bills receivable? Bills receivable too. Correct. Now, the bill was discounted 74,600. What's the journal entry for bill discounting? Bank account, discount account. Right? Next one. Sejal, after making the payment for the first bill, how much was the amount for the first bill? 60,000. So what's the journal entry for making payment? Bills payable to bank account. Done. Next one. How much is left? So in the 60,000 bill, 80,000 bill, you have paid 60,000. How much is remaining? 20,000. Sejal, after making the payment of the first bill, sent 3/4 of the amount remaining to Harry. What is 3/4 of the remaining amount? Actual amount. What is the remaining amount? Look into it. 74,600 was there. In that you have paid what? What are you left with? What is 3/4 of this? 10,000 is the money which they have transferred. But already Mr. Harry has to pay to Sejal how much? So you are now remitting 45,000 plus 10,950. Artha aita idu? This was okay, difficult. First time we are doing, somebody doing mistake is okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಗ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದವರು. Should I repeat? See here. First thing, can I say Harry has to pay or Harry has to still pay 45,000 to Sejal? Yes or no? That one, are you clear? Ega bill 80,000, they discounted it and got 74,600. 80,000 rupees bill, they discounted and got what? 74,600. That means what's the value? Discount amount 5,000. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಈ 74,600 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I will pay off the bill 1. I'll pay off the what is bill 1 amount? What are you left with? 14,600. In that he wants to remit 3/4 to Harry. What is 3/4 of this? 10,950. Artha aita? Now when I'm trying to calculate what is the actual amount due from Harry, can I say that is 45,000 plus 10,950? What is the amount due from Harry? Can I say it's 45,000, which was the first bill due, plus 10,950? ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್? 40. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಡ್ಯೂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದು 10,950 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4050. How much is that? 15,000. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ? So what will be the journal entry for that? Harry account to bank to discount. Done. Now what happened to this guy? Maturity date, Harry became. So ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ನೀವು ಬಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಡಿಸಾನರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಹ್ಯಾರಿ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಹ್ಯಾರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು? Totally has to pay you. When you do the sum total of this, it comes to 60,000. Correct? So he is saying 60,000 rupayalli you are paying him only what? 40 paise. That means what will be the bad debts? Bad debts. So what's your journal entry for bad debts? Bank bad debts to add. Good question for 10 marks actually. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? And you guys and all, if you ask me, you should pray for a difficult paper. Honestly, I'm saying, as a student, you should pray for a difficult paper. When the paper is difficult, it's very easy to clear. And I'm not joking, I'm telling you seriously, if the paper is difficult and it is more easier to clear for a reason that when the paper, let's say for an example, accommodation bill comes, right? 90% of the students won't do. You will do at least 70-80% of the question. Don't you think you have more chance of getting marks? Let's assume they give you BRS. Everyone gets right. That means if you do something wrong, you will lose more marks. But if the paper is difficult, BRS also, you will also get the same mark. You will only require 1 or 2 questions beyond that guide to clear the examination. Never ever pray for an easy paper. As a student, I'm telling you, pray for a difficult paper. The more difficult it is, more easier is your chance of clearing in CA. Because they'll want to maintain that 15%. If your score is coming to 39, they'll only push it to 45. Right? But if it's easy, if you have got 60, they'll bring it to 40. So pray, again I'm saying, pray for all of this kind of questions to come. And that's why you're practicing all of it, so that you avoid all of those 2-3 difficult questions. Trust me, you can come out happily to say I'll pass the exam. Done. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Next question. Adya owed 1 lakh to Ananya. Adya accepted the bill drawn by Ananya. We are trying to make entries in the books of. So Adya accepted the bill. Bills we are doing for Ananya. Bills. Ananya got the bill discounted. Bank discount Ananya. Before the due date, Adya approached Ananya for renewal. Cancel the old bill. Add the interest. Then I think this question was done with same names or different names. So the question, I think, same amounts also. Good for you guys, no? Then why are you guys crying? Good for you. Same question. So this also is pretty much similar question. Okay, next one. Anyone did mistake in the previous two? At least good. Hey, this also same question only. Only amounts they have changed it, names they have changed it. Why accept? They want you to make entries in the books of. Why accepted the bill? Next one. This was for the amount which Y owed to X. What does this mean? Is it a mutual accommodation? What does this mean? He already had to pay you money. This was not an accommodation bill. ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬದಲು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. On the same day, A got it discounted. What's the journal entry for discounting of the bill? On the due date, Y approach for renewal. Y to discounting, no? So it's not bill receivable, it will be bank. Then A's agreed to pay 8,000 immediately. And along with the interest of 12%. Along with the interest of, so first you will calculate the interest. Anyone had doubt in this interest calculation? Then after that, you will receive the cash, balance you draw the new bill and then put it to Y. Any doubt in this entry? Next one. X accepted the bill. On 31st December, Y became insolvent. Y to bills receivable. In that, how much are you getting? Cash balance to. Anyone got this wrong? Like any mistakes that you have done? Everyone got this right. This I think was similar to the class question. Only names they have changed it. I think there it was Katrak. Katrak has become Karthik. That KK they have maintained it. 5 marks question. Anyone wants me to explain any of these entries? Karthik accepted the bill for Balu for 35,000, discharged by a cash payment of 15, and the balance along with the interest. They are talking not for drawing the bill, they are talking for discharge. Discharge andre enu? So what is going to be your journal entry? Karthik accepted the bill, that means it's bills payable. Bills payable account, what's the interest component? 75 to cash account, balance amount will be new bills payable. 3,500 ittu, adike interest add martira minus the cash paid, balance amount will go to the new bills payable. If you guys want, you can always do it like this, old and new, so that you are understanding it. This one, everyone got all the 4 right? No? First one ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು 5 marks ನೋಡಿ, 1 mark, 2 entries 2 marks, 5 marks. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಇದು I don't know, this one surprisingly they asked for a 15 marks. Huh? But I'm still saying a 15 marks question and all in examination is crazy. ಒಂದೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? Everyone got right? Okay, anyone else who has got wrong? There are 2 people. Okay. So we'll run through the question then. They are asking you to make both in the books of T and J. T draws the bill. So for T it is, for J it is. So I'll do it for T. You guys can just look into it for J. So it will be bills receivable to J. T gets it discounted from the bank for 17. Bank account, discount account to. On the due date, T is unable to remit the amount. And he accepts a new bill for 3 months. What is the new bill amount? 2 lakh. So now it will become what? Bills payable. So we are coming to it. I think the entries they have done it ulta palta. Oh, sorry. T remits 57,600 to J. So again do that cross multiplication. For 1,80,000 you are receiving 1,72,000 1,72,800. How much is the discount? Now in this is transferring so what's the journal entry for remitting the money? J bank discount. Then after that, on the due date is unable to pay the bill, so you have drawn a new bill for 252. So this time it will become a bills J account to bills payable. Next one, which is discounted by J from his banker for 2,40,600. So 2,52,000. You got how much? 2,40,000. So what's the discount portion? 11,000. 11,000. Now what are they telling? J sends 4,440. So first 1,80,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅವ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? So still you have to get how much? 1,20,000. For this 1,20,000, what you will add? 40,440. So 1,60,000. Do a cross multiplication. 7. Correct? So total amount ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 lakh. But actual ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು? 4,440 plus 40. What's the journal entry for this? Bank account. Bank account, discount account to J. Next one. E dishonored, so that means you will cancel the bill. Then finally, what is the money that you are getting in? Out of 1,68,000, 50%, the balance will go to the deficiency. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಈ question pretty much very similar question, no? ಈ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? I think the only difference is they have added noting charges here. ಈ question ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? This question, guys, this question ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ? Okay, ಯಾರ bills of exchange concepts doubt ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಿ. We are done with this.